Hi guys. Yeah, so some of you already know me as Jack of all trades. Like I do everything. Yes, I do everything, I accept. So this was my first time working with a florist. Yeah, so you can check out their page on IG, on Instagram. Their name is Midas Expression. So yeah, I decided to work with him this particular day so that I can even get to know or see how to like decorate events and all of that. So if you have any occasion or you have any event coming up soon, you can reach out to them on IG Media's Expression, and I'll be leaving the name in the comment section actually, so that it will be very easy for you to find. So please don't forget to reach out to us so that we can come and decorate your event. See the way I'm shouting us like I can do anything. Anyways, at least I can differentiate flowers, guys. It's not easy to differentiate flowers. To you are seeing they are the same thing, but the main person is telling you this is different from this one. But they are looking the same, but they're telling you it's different. It's not easy, oh. Working as a florist is not easy, oh. Like, guys, you need to appreciate your event planners. After this, I suffered from back pain, like serious back pain, because we stood for how many hours trying to decorate everything, arrange everything, and my only work there was just to give flowers. Anyways, it was fun. I enjoyed it, and I would love to come and decorate your events too. So let us know if you're having any events anytime soon. Anywhere in Nigeria, actually, we work all over. So anywhere in Nigeria, you can actually reach out to us, and we would come running to make your event beautiful. So, like I said, their name on Instagram is Midas Expressions. So you can reach out to them to actually see. You can even go there to check out their work to see how good they are, or to see works they've done, or to see if it is something you can really rely on. But yeah, trust me, they are really good. So I hope you like what you see though. That I didn't get the full video of everything, but at least I was able to cover some areas, because that day we were actually super busy. But as a content creator now, I still had to like record and all of that, so that was why I was able to get this video. So he said I could record, yeah, so he allowed me record, and I recorded some parts, and I had to like post to show you guys that yes, so me too, oh, I can design party like. Anyways, yeah, I am now partially a florist, but it is not easy. So anyways, let us know what you think in the comment section. Let us know if you're having any event soon in the comment section. Let us know if you will be calling us to come and design your event, or to come and decorate your event and all of that in the comment section. And also, I'll try to create a better video next time to show you the before and after and all of that, so that you can see how good like these guys are good. Hey, hey, let me not talk more chat till we come to your own events to like decorate. But trust me, these guys are good. So yeah, you can reach out to them on Instagram and book your appointment so that they can come and decorate. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. And don't forget to reach out to Midas Expressions also. And also, let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Though this is not the full coverage, because I was unable to record everything in full. So, but still, with the little you've seen, with the before and after, you saw how we covered that empty table with flowers and all of that. So let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to like. Have an amazing day. Bye.